can feel that this light at the end of this tunnel that we are all in is getting bigger every day. And it's I'm starting to feel it, and I hope you're starting to feel it. And the other thing I'm starting to see at the end of that tunnel is actually a starting line, because I feel like once we hit the end of that tunnel, we're all going to be off and running with work, schoolwork, sports. I can't wait. So I hope you guys are feeling it too, because I'm starting to feel it. Now, this is the world we live in now. This is the new norm. You see these gloves, the mask. If you see our guys on the street, or our guys are working around your house, you're going to notice all this protective gear, and that's to keep them safe and to keep you safe. That's just the world we live in now. So we're adhering to all the CDC protocols when it comes to protective gear equipment. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys today is where we're at right now is actually my house, right? So I moved in here about 3 years ago. You see my kids running around. They're enjoying the weather. But for the last 3 years, I've been repairing my old air conditioning system. So I'm guilty of the shoemaker shoes, right? You know, their kids don't have any shoes. So we've been repairing this AC. I put a new condenser fan motor on it last year, and the season before that I could put a new capacitor on there. That's money I'm never going to get back. And the system we're taking out today, it's an R22 system. It's over there in the driveway. To tell you the truth, I should have got rid of that system the day I moved in. But here we are. I got a little window to work, so I want to show you what we're putting in, because it's a terrific system. Come with me. So if you notice some of the people we got working here, we got Wayne Thomas, and if you've been a customer for a while, you know Wayne. And also up top there, we got Nicky T. He loves that nickname. Please make sure if you see him, you call him Nicky T. And Andrew as well. So here, let me show you the system we're putting in. These are my crazy kids with their new puppy. So, back there in the bushes, I don't know if you can see him or not. Wayne, you want to wave and say hello?
Hey.
So, if you know Wayne, he's been with us for close to 15 years. He's worked a lot of your houses. He loves what he does, and we're so happy. I love working with Wayne. Up there, same thing with Nick and Andrew. Great guys. You'll love them working at your house. Now, the system we're putting in today is a Infinity Carrier air conditioning system. I love Carrier. Carrier is an absolutely terrific product. It has wonderful warranties on the parts and the labors as well, and it's just a solid product. Now, Carrier itself even has some rebates you can take advantage of right now. And Carrier's not the only one that gives you a rebate. Pico is going to give you some rebates if you put a new system in, and the Electrical Association of Philadelphia will give you some rebates. You can combine some of these things to maximize what your rebates are. They don't last forever. They are going to go away. I'm going to put a link on this post so you can read about it. If you have any questions, call us, right? I think there's some terrific opportunities out there to take advantage of. Now, the other thing too, when I keep saying there's a starting line at the end of that tunnel, warm weather's coming, right? Everybody's watching the news, keying in on the weather, right? Because when it rains, it stinks. Because then you got guys like these running around your house driving you bananas. The warm weather lets them outside. This weekend looks like it's going to be a good one. So I'm very happy about that. Hope you are. With that, with the warm weather coming, means it also might be time to schedule your maintenance on your air conditioning system, because when we hit that starting line, I feel like we're going to be behind. We're going to be playing catch up on all the work we got to do out there. But the maintenance on the air conditioning, I want you to think of like pretty much three things. Number one, you do the maintenance on the AC, it's going to add a little bit more life to it. It's going to last longer. Number two, it's going to make it more efficient, right? You change the filter, clean the system, it gets the dust off. It just works so much more efficiently. And number three, it's a safety check, right? Our guys go out, make sure everything's operating nice and smooth, checking everything, and putting it in service for the hot season to come. So, with that being said, if you would like to schedule, just call the office, right? Call the office, and Britt, Meg, Kath, whoever is going to answer and schedule it for you. So, as you can see, these guys are working hard, and we hope that it's a great summer for everybody. That being said, please have a safe and productive day.